Hey guys, we received this water flosser for test and try. It's used for the teeth cleaning and the flossing with the 5 modes: rechargeable, cordless, oral, irrigator, 320 ml water tank, and the teeth cleaner. So it's a waterproof portable electric dental flossers and can be used for your travel or home. So comes in this nice packing box, and let me just open up this so I can show you the unboxing. So this is really helpful, like if you don't want to use a normal floss like the thread one, and then you want to use this water one, it will create a pressure on your teeth in between, and like gargles or something, and then it will give a little pressure and all the plaque will came out of your teeth. So that's how this work, and comes with different attachment and a water tank. So let me just take out all this protective covering and show it to you. So it have a 0.6 mm water spout with the 1500 plus minus 50 pulse per minute and a 60 to 200 psi water pressure. So this is how you charge it. So it's a rechargeable one. So USB-C charging, and you can just charge with a supplied cable or the USB. You need an adapter to put it there, and then you can just charge this one. So I will prefer like if you charge it completely before the use, so you can see the good pressure of the water. So this is how you put in the water into the tank and then just use it, and on and off and different mode buttons. So you can use the different attachments. So attachment replacing and putting is really easy. Just press this button to take it out, or you just put the other one and just click it. So it's pretty nice and pretty good in that case. So you can just put in the water in the tank. You can use the side wall or from the top. There's a nice quality and the really handy. So you can I usually prefer decking from the top, but you can also use the side wall to put it there. It's a filter little thing so that it will not come into the machine any particulate material. And I'm just trying to show you the pressure it create. See like how quickly and nice pressure it is making. So you can just put it in between your teeth where there is a space, and then it will remove all the plaque. So it's a very useful and handy thing for your travel and for your home purpose. You can easily recharge this, and then it have a different modes and the setting level that you can choose it from, and then you can easily recharge it and take anywhere. You don't need the batteries or separate things, and you can easily use that part. So see like the pressure is really nice, I can feel, and you can also see it, and different modes give different pressure and the sensitivity. Overall a nice water flosser.